Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today I will explain you exercise 2.5 of chapter 2, that is fraction and decimals. So now I will solve question number 7, and question number 7 is Dinesh went from place A to place B, from there to place C. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who traveled more and by how much? So friends, here we have to find that there are two person or student, children, don't know. So there are two children that are they are Dinesh and Ayub. So Dinesh went place A to place B. That means he traveled the distance of place A to place B and then from there place C. The distance of A to B is 7.5 and from B to C is 12.7 km. Ayub went from place A to place D. That means Ayub traveled place A to place D and from there to C, he traveled up to C. The distance between A and D is 9.3 km from A, okay, and C is 11 point. That means the distance from C to D is 11.8 km from D. So now we have to find that who traveled more and by how much. That means Dinesh traveled more or Ayub traveled more. Ayub traveled more and by how much. We have to also find that how much he traveled. Okay. So first we will write Dinesh traveled a distance is. So now we will do the real calculation. Okay. So A and B. Wait a minute. A, B plus B and C. Okay. Because Dinesh went place A to B, A to B and then B to C. AB plus BC. Okay. So the distance of AB and BC was equal to 5. So the distance of AB and BC was 7.5 kilometer plus 12.7 kilometer. Okay. So 7.5 kilometer plus 12.7 kilometer, that is equal to 20.2 kilometer. Okay. The sum of 7.5 kilometer and 12.7 kilometer is 20.2 kilometers. Okay. Okay. So friends, now we had find the distance traveled by Dinesh is 20.2 kilometer. So I think I should drop this line. Bye bye. Okay. So now Dinesh traveled 20.2 kilometer. The turn of Ayub. Okay. So distance. So Ayub traveled a distance of how much kilometer, now we will find. Okay, that is equal to, so he traveled, you traveled A to D. So here we will write A D. A to place D and from there to place C. So that means D to C. So here we will also write that D C. Okay, AD plus DC. So the distance of AD and DC was, D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. So now we will write 9.3 kilometer plus 11.8 kilometer. Okay, that is equal to, so 9.3 plus 11.8 kilometer is 21.1 kilometer. Okay, so we have find the distance of Dinesh traveled and Ayub traveled. Okay, so now here it is told that who traveled more. So first we will solve that who traveled more, and then by how much we will do. Okay, so who traveled more, Dinesh or Ayub? Obviously the distance of Ayub is greater than Dinesh. Okay, so 21.1 kilometer is more than 20.2 kilometer. 21.1 kilometer is of Ayub and 20.2 kilometer is of Dinesh. Okay, so 21.1 kilometer minus 20.2 kilometer, because here it is also told that and by how much. So we have to also calculate by that how much Ayub traveled more. Okay, so 21.1 subtraction 20.2 kilometer. Okay. So 21.1 kilometer minus 20.2 kilometer, that is equal to 0.9 kilometer. Okay, so Ayub traveled more and by how much? 0.9 kilometer. Okay, this is 0.9, 0.9 kilometers. Okay, okay friends, this is the whole answer. So let me explain you in summary. Okay, so Dinesh traveled a distance of AB plus BC. AB, the measurement of AB is 7.5 kilometer plus 12.7 kilometer. That is equal to 20.2 kilometer. And now we have to find the distance traveled by Ayub. So distance traveled, Ayub traveled a distance of AD plus DC. Okay, so the measurement of AD is 9.3 kilometer and the measurement of the distance of DC is 11.8 kilometer. So the sum is 21.2 kilometer. So 21.1 kilometer is more than 20.0 kilometer. Okay. So now here it is told that, and by how much. We have to also find that how much he traveled more. So 21.1 kilometer minus 20.2 kilometer, that is equal to 0.9 kilometer. So as you all know that Ayub traveled more by Dinesh and by 0.9 kilometers. Okay. So that's all for today everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe and bye bye.